So here's the vacuum, all of its glory. I actually just finished setting it up. And for me it was only blowing, because first thing I did when I got it out of the box is I took it out and I was like, oh, this is fancy. But once you do this, it's gonna be blowing. It's blowing out right now because I taken it out. And so I tried to put it back in, because right here it's got a single way. Click that in there. And mine, at least, doesn't fit this molding at all. So I was pushing it down, or trying to like kind of get it in a way that made sense, like right there. So now as you can see, I pushed into the plastic some, and I thought, well, this is clicked. It's clicked, so it's in. And then when I tried to turn it on, it wasn't sucking at all. Very, very little suction power. But it was in. But it's not the case. It isn't in. It has to go further. You can see this gap down here. So you have to really smack it hard. I mean, this is brand new and it's already denting here. So that's not very good user design. But now that it's in this trough, it's sucking well. This is just a noise diffuser. But the hose is attached here on the back for suction and here for blowing. And so if it's not in, it won't work. But now if I do it, it works. And so I think this was a bit of a poor design, or at least shape, and it didn't really give any examples in the instructions. So hopefully this is helpful for somebody that's maybe missing it like me.
I'm gonna get this thing out of the house, but yeah, it's defective.
Now there's some poop. Turn on the juice. Okay, honestly, this is the best little vacuum I've ever bought in my life. It's called a Vacmaster, okay? You can take this, my chicken shit on it here,
Let me see if I can. Just push that button. And it's a whole freaking blower that comes off of there. I love it. I absolutely love it.
Mm.